On this episode of Joe's Kitchen. Joe's got friends over for dinner, but he doesn't know what to make. The game's on. What are we gonna do? Welcome to part 2 of episode 18 of Card Table. I'm your host, David Rodriguez, and I'm here with Jed Spink from Red. And we're gonna go make some tailgate food before the game gets going here for Joe and Teresa.
Hey, welcome.
Hey.
Hey.
I'm gonna give you a pound. I'm David.
I'm Joe. This is Teresa.
Nice
Welcome.
to meet you, Teresa. Can we
Come
come
on
in?
in. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Jed.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Teresa. Nice to meet you.
Thanks for having us.
Joe, Teresa, Caitlin, and Tyson. Thank you so much for having us. We're excited to make some food. Today we're going to be doing tailgate food. We're excited about football. We're excited about sports. There's a game on right now, so we better get rolling.
So he got me some sweet corn. We have a couple shallots. We have some Ralph Case buttermilk blue cheese. Pork chops, boneless. Some local rainbow cherry tomatoes.
While we're doing this, I do have a gift from Metcalf's,
And I also brought you guys a gift certificate to Red.
Oh my.
Thank you.
a gift card from Square Wine Company as well.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I think I'm gonna do some sort of skewer, tailgate with the pork, maybe the tomatoes, maybe some of this melon. I'm also gonna make, I believe, we're gonna use some of that wonderful Madison sourdough bread over there, make a little sort of bruschetta, but we're gonna use it more as a dipping, I guess more of a crostini, and we'll
Sure.
make a blue cheese and corn fondue. And I think we'll make just a light little, maybe tailgate salad with some of the tomatoes again, some cilantro, this melon,
Beautiful.
avocado, things like that.
You
So
get right
good?
down to business, my man.
So yeah, I'm gonna add some cilantro to this cassava melon here, and then we're gonna add some avocado, and we're gonna use some of these cherry tomatoes. Just make a real basic light salad. I think it's gonna be really refreshing, which I guess could kind of be tailgatey, right?
Yeah.
Instead of the pasta salad, we'll do sort of a
It's a
more fresh, summery fruit salad.
I'll wait until you're done. I think.
Yeah, right.
Lose a finger.
It's flying.
Yeah, that was my finger. I'm just gonna put a touch of honey in this.
Is there something you wish we had that we don't have?
Kosher salt.
Kosher salt.
There you go. I was gonna say, what's like a go-to have to have in your kitchen all the time?
Kosher salt.
Kosher salt. So we have the cassava melon.
Thank you.
A little bit of fresh avocado.
Ladies first from left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, please.
Thank you.
Local tomatoes, avocado, cilantro, and then just a little bit of fresh lemon and orange juice mixed with some of that local honey that you had.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful.
And then cilantro and the shallot should bring it kind of all right there. Really light.
I was kind of worried about that melon, but it's super good.
That sweetness really is nice.
But you don't got to worry about the melon, baby.
Jed, when you're skewering those, is there a particular technique in terms of the fat location?
No, not really. I mean, it's a pork. It's pork chop. It's pretty lean, so I don't have to worry about it. Just I guess the goal is I just feed it through with both fingers to make sure it doesn't go
The lady
through
at
one
home,
end.
I was very. That's fine.
This is a Pinot from Santa Barbara County.
We're gonna put the corn now in. We got our bacon is getting real close to where we want it, nice and crispy. And then we're gonna get the corn in here and get that going down with this. Then eventually what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend it all, strain it, and then mix it with this roux and add cream to thicken it up to make our fondue. And then add the cheese lastly. So here's the chili crisp that I brought, and that's what I'm gonna use on these little pork skewers here. And then actually, because that corn and bacon smell so good, I think we'll do a little salad underneath the skewer. Then we'll finish off the corn with the blue cheese and make the fondue with the bread.
So unnatural.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's against like everything you've ever been taught, right?
All right.
So we strained our corn, bacon, shallot mixture. I added a little bit of the roux that I made earlier and some cream to thicken it up. Now we're going to crumble in this really nice buttermilk blue cheese from Roth Case, and then we'll serve it up with the bread. How is it?
Actually, absolutely gorgeous.
Is it? Probably doesn't need salt with the blue cheese and the bacon, no?
Maybe no. It's got a really great sweetness that I wouldn't want to ruin.
So right now what I'm doing is, this is how I make like I use this for a garnish and a lot of our stuff at Red.
It's pretty.
Yeah, so what you'll see, and what this is gonna do is open it up and kind of curl them up, and then I'll put it on top of your pork.
What's
and
that
it's gonna
cut
be
called?
nice. I don't think there actually is a cut for it, right? It's not julienne, kind of, but okay. So this is
We'll discuss Dave Coulier.
this is your sweet corn, bacon,
Beautiful.
and blue cheese fondue, and it's with some baked Madison sourdough bread, a little drizzle of EVOO on there, garnished with some more of that blue cheese and scallions. So again, kind of a tailgate kind of fun.
Amazing.
party
Thank
thing.
you.
Great.
But I think the Avery Brothers one is right after.
Yeah, that's fine. I think it'll look better with two.
It will.
Yeah, here.
So last dish here, and I kind of wanted to bring almost everything back together that we started with. So we used some of that corn and some of the bacon that we used for the fondue and brought that back. Basically made like a succotash, brought those tomatoes back from the salad, added that in there, brought the cilantro back from the salad, kind of tying everything in that we all had here today. There's the shallot in there as well. And the pork is marinated in the chili crisp that you guys had before, and then just garnished a little bit of those green onion straws that you saw me coming up. So hope you guys enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Joe, Teresa, Tyson, Caitlin, thank you. Beautiful kitchen, beautiful meal. Thanks, Jed.
Beautiful home. Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
So good.
Thank you, Jen.
Cheers.
Thank you, David.
Thank you guys.
Well done, guys.
Jed,
David,
good work, man.
thank you.
Delicious food, beautiful food. Everybody was really happy, so
Appreciate it.
nice work.
Absolutely.
I want to thank everybody for watching. I want to thank Minnie of Madison. I want to thank Metcalf's, and I want to thank the Square Wine Company. If you're interested in hosting Card a Table, and by that I mean having us come cook at your house, go to isthmus.com/card-a-table, and we'll see you on the next one. Let's get out of here, man.
Let's go.